Hi Kitty, Chris here. Today I am going to draw an apple, so let's get started. First, just following with me. Draw a curve here, a round curve here. And then connect the line. Now, just following with me, draw a line here. Now draw two round big eyes. We start with a circle and another smaller circle. A curve inside. With 3 lines. And the mouth. Now we have an apple.
I really hope I made it fun and easy for you to following with me and inspire you to draw it too. Thank you so much for watching. If you love it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new videos. See you later.